Hello, good morning everyone. We are Group Manamal and
We are to present our output
in comprog for our
laboratory exam.
and yun lang po. Salamat. Sensya na. Good morning everyone. My name is Mikael Basto and I'm here para explain yung pseudocode ng output number 1 which is yung calculator. Step 1 natin start. Tapos step 2, declare choice num1, num2 as int. Step 3, print choices. Tapos, sunod nito, dito na yung mga choices. Sa step 4 naman, print natin. Print number 1, calculator. Tapos step 5, print. Tapos number 2, positive or negative number. Step 6, print number 3, odd or even number. In step 7, print yung number 4, highest or lowest number. Dito sa step 8, pipili na natin yung choice dun sa apat. Since nga output number 1 tayo, yung pipiliin natin is yung calculator. Sa calculator, next step niyan, step 9. Ang nakalagay print, enter first number, num1, tsaka step 10, print enter second number, num2. Dito, maglalagay tayo ng number, dalawang number, tapos proceed na tayo sa step 11. Dito na tayo sa mga operators. Print operators. Tapos, new line. Yung ibig sabihin nitong N, new line. Tapos, yung slash na may new line. Tapos, yung ito naman, yung slash na may T, parang spacing lang. Ang unang choice is A, addition, then B, subtraction, C, multiplication, and division. Pag tayo, ang pinili natin is addition, letter A. Dito tayo sa step 12. Print, enter your desired operator is A. If operator is equal to A, sa didiretso tayo sa step 13.1. Print the sum of num1 and num2 is result. Tapos step 14, else print cannot proceed. Ito, ibig sabihin nito, babalik tayo sa step 11. Parang pipili lang ulit tayo ng operator. Tapos step 4, pag naman tayo, ang pinili naman natin ay B, subtraction. Dito naman tayo sa step 15. Ang nito dito, pag taas natin sa step 15, step 15.1 tayo, print the difference of num1 and num2 is result. Dun, yun na yung subtracting part. Tapos yun lang ulit sa step 7, 16, print cannot proceed. Babalik lang ulit sa step 11. Tapos pag yung pinili naman natin, multiplication, yung letter C, didiretso tayo sa step 17. If operator is equal to C, tapos sa na tayo, step 17.1, print the product of num1 and num2 is yun, result. Tapos yun lang ulit sa step 18, babalik lang ulit tayo ng step 11. Ang pagpinili naman natin is division, dito tayo sa step 19. Tapos, ayun, step 19.1, yung division part na din. Yun, pag pa natin, babalik lang ulit tayo sa step 11, then pag ayaw na, dito tayo end. Yun lang po.
Hello, good day everyone. I am Nico, Andrei si Ibañez. So, explain ko naman po yung output 2 sa flowchart part naman po. Ito po yung pinakamahabang part sa aming project, which yung calculator, yung pinakauna po. Bale, start po tayo dito sa terminator. Lagi po natin start. Then, gagamit naman po tayo ng preparation symbol to declare int as int for num1, num2, and for choice. Then, character for answer. Then, mag-aano naman po tayo ng input-output symbol para naman po natin ma-print po natin yung mga choices. Yung choices po ay first, calculator, 2, positive or negative, 3, odd or even number, 4, highest or lowest number. Then, paano tayo mag-enter ng choice natin dyan kung hindi tayo mag-print ng enter your choice with variable na choice. Then, pasok naman po dito sa decision symbol. Lalagay po natin yung if choice is equal to 1, then pag true siya, pupunta po siya sa enter your first number. Bale, susundin lang po natin siya, enter your first number. And may given naman po tayo dito sa may ating PowerPoint presentation, which is yung first number natin ay 10, tapos second number natin ay 5. So, first number natin dito, 10. Then, second number natin, 5. Then, piprint natin kung anong mga operators ang pwede natin gamitin. Then, ito po yung addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then, piprint naman po tayo ng kung anong desired operator na pwedeng gamitin ni user. Enter your desired operator with variable operator. Then, gagamit naman po tayo ng decision symbol dito. If operator is equal to character A, then, pupunta po siya dito sa sum. Sum equals num1 plus num2. Lang po siya, multiply. Mag-addition lang po siya. Then, ang nakuha po natin sa decide operator po natin sa base sa may PowerPoint, ito. Bali, ang nangyayari lang po ay ang mag-print po kasi dito sa may part na to, print the sum of num1 which yung 10, then and string siya, and plus num2 which is yung 5. Ganun lang rin, is plus sum. So, pagpa-plusin po natin si num1 tapos num2. Bali, magiging 15 siya. Then, ayun po yung magiging value ni sum. Then, pupunta po tayo dito sa may on-page connector to continue po sa that ends our midterm practical test. Thank you. Then, bababa na po siya ng end. Ayun lang po. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this will be output number 1 for our coding. The program starts by declaring its package and importing the scanner class so it can accept the input from the user through the keyboard. Inside the main method, which is this one, a scanner object named scanner is created and connected to the system.I, which allows the program to read numbers and letters typed by the user. Next is string is for the loop. This variable controls the loop, meaning the program will continue running as long as the again remains y. And while the while loop uses ignore case so that both uppercase and lowercase inputs are accepted. And then these menus will be the user's options to choose. The in choices will be detected by the scanner. And then the program uses a switch statement to determine what action to take based on the user's choices. When the user selects choice 1, the calculator, the program will ask for the two integers values. These values are stored in the variables num1 and num2. After that, the program displays a list of available arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The user is then prompted to enter the desired operator, which is this one right here. This operator is read as a string and stored in the variable operation. Another switch statement is used inside the calculator option to determine which arithmetic operation should be performed. If the user enters A, then the program performs addition by adding num1 and num2, then prints the results in the format. The sum of 10 and 5 is 15. If the user choose B, the program subtracts the second number from the first and prints the difference. If the user enters C, this one, the program multiplies the two numbers and then prints the product. And if the user uses D, the program will not work. Java doesn't allow division by 0, so it doesn't work. if the user use any operator other than A, B, C, D, the default case of the switch statement runs and prints invalid. It will print the invalid message. Sorry. This ensures the incorrect operator input are handled properly. And we'll skip here. Now the system will ask, do you want to try a different operation, Y or N? And then if you click Y, it will return back to the beginning. If no, it will end, and then the system will print the ends. That ends our midterm practical test. Thank you, and that's it.
Hello, good day po. I'm Nico. So, didiscuss ko po yung pseudocode namin sa output 2. So, step 1 po natin, maglalagay po tayong terminator, syempre, start. Then, sa step 2 naman po, magde-declare po tayo. Like, nandito po sa step 2, num as integer, i-declare po natin yun. Then, step 3, step 3 hanggang step 7 po, ipiprint lang po natin yung mga choices. Like, sa step 4, calculator, second, positive or negative number, third, odd or even number, fourth, highest or lowest number. Then, sa 8 po tayo magkakaroon ng enter your choice. So, ang nasa may PowerPoint presentation po natin ay 2. Bale, susundin po natin yon. And yung 2 po is positive negative number. So, ayun po ang gagawin po natin sa pseudocode na to. Then, step 9, print enter a number. Bale, ang given ng number sa may PowerPoint presentation po natin ay 23. So, sa step 10 po natin malalaman kung ano po si 23. Step 10, if num is greater than 0, then print num double quotes is a positive number. Ito po. Then, sa step 10.1 ay bale, ipiprint na po niya yung 23 na is a positive number since 23 is greater than 0. Okay? Then, sa step 11 naman po, else if num is less than 0, like for example, ang number po natin is negative 3. Bale, ipiprint po nun is sa step 11.1, print num is a negative number. Like, negative 3 is a negative number. Ayun lang po. Thank you. Hello, good day everyone. I'm Nico. I will be discussing the flowchart part of output 2, positive, negative. So, we start with using terminator po for start. Then, use preparation to declare num as integer. Then, choice as character. Then, character as answer. Then, sa sunod naman po nun is kahit po tayo ng input-output to print out the choices. First, calculator. Second, positive or negative. Third, odd or even number. And fourth, highest or lowest number. Then, we use again input-output to print enter your choice. Then, dito po tayo magkakaroon ng choice. So, kung pinili po natin ay positive, negative. So, lalagay po natin 2. Then, pumunta po siya sa enter a number. Then, ang given po sa PowerPoint presentation po natin ay 23. So, sa may decision po dito, makikita po natin na kung ang 23 is greater than 0, then kung greater than 0 daw po siya, then true siya, then print num plus is a positive number. Then, pupunta naman po siya ngayon sa may, do you want to try different operations? Then, lalagay ko po y. Then, babalik po siya sa print sa choices po. Bale, ulit lang po tayo sa positive and negative. Enter your choice. Kunyari naman 2 pa rin, pero ang number naman po natin ngayon ay negative 3. So, is negative 3 greater than 0? No. Is negative 3 less than 0? Yes. Then, print po siya ngayon. Print num plus double quotes is a negative number. Then, babalik po siya sa print, do you want to try different operations? Eh, kung magno-no po tayo, doon na po magpiprint ng print that ends our midterm practical test. Thank you. Then, meron po tayong on-page connector to go to end. Ayan. Then, kung ang number naman po na in-enter natin ngayon ay 0, is 0 greater than 0? No. Is 0 greater than, ay less than 0? No. Siyempre, dapat 0 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Then, maglagay po tayo ng input-output para sa print num plus is 0. Then, ganun lang po ulit. Bale, do you want to try again? Siyempre, magno-no na po tayo. Then, that's end our midterm practical test. Thank you. Then, doon na po pupunta sa terminator, which yung end. Ayun lang. Thank you. Hello, good day everyone. I'm Nico again. So, explain ko naman ngayon yung coding part sa choice 2, which is yung positive or negative. So, sisimulan natin syempre sa print. System.out.print, enter a number. Tatanong tayo kung anong ipapa-input, mag-ask tayo sa user kung magpapa-enter tayo ng number. So, paano tayo magpapa-enter ng number? Siyempre, maglalagay tayo ng user-defined input dito, which is ito yung int num equals scanner.nextInt. Dito tayo maglalagay ng number. So, ang number na nakalagay sa natin, PowerPoint presentation ay 23. So, papasok naman tayo sa conditional statement. Ito tayo sa may if. If num is greater than 0, then systemout.println num plus code is a positive number. Then, explain ko muna dito. Kung si 23 daw is greater than 0, automatic daw, unang condition po natin dito, mag-print po siya na isasama niya po si 23, tapos ilalagay niya naman po dito yung positive number. Na positive number si 23. Then, else if naman, kung num is less than 0, mag-print naman ulit po siya ng, ipiprint niya naman po ulit yung number na in-enter nyo is a negative number. Halimbawa, ginawa natin negative 3. So, is negative 3 less than 0? Yes. So, yun, mag-aano siya ng negative, magiging negative number. Then, else naman, kung in-input naman ng user ay 0, mag-aano naman siya piprint naman siya ngayon ng num is equals to 0, is 0. Ayan. Ay lang po yung sa coding part ng output 2. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Mikael Basto and this is our report. This is output number 3. So, code pa lang po ito. Step 1, start. Tapos step 2 naman po, declare po natin yung choice as an int. Step 3, print choices. Tapos step 4, print 1 calculator. And then step 5, print 2 positive or negative number. Step 6, print 3 odd or even number. Step 7, print 4 highest or lowest number. Ang pipiliin po natin sa mali pala. Step 8, print enter your choice. Ang choice po natin ay number 3 dahil ang gagawin po natin ay odd or even number. Step 9, print enter a number. Pagpiprint po tayo ng number, pero kayo na po bahala kung anong number. Step 10, if num %2 equals 0, then ipoproceed po tayo sa step 10.1, print n is even number. Dito po nalalaman kung even number po yung napili natin sa step 10. Yung num %2 equals 0 din. Even number po siya. Tapos step 11 naman po, else print num is odd number. Step 12 din. Yun lang po. Good morning everyone. My name is Mikael Basto and this is output number 3, odd or even. Flowchart na po ito. Step 1, start. Tapos step 2, declare int num, choice character as answer operation. Step 3, print choices. 1 calculator, 2 positive or negative, 3 odd or even number, and 4 highest or lowest number. Print enter your choice. Yung choice po natin dito dun sa PowerPoint ni ma'am is number 3, yung odd or even. Kaya dito po tayo, if choice equals 3, print enter a number. Yung number po natin dito sa PowerPoint ay 88. Dito po tayo sa next step, number percent 2 equals 0. Dito po, alamin na po kung yung number po natin ay even number po ba. Tapos, pag even number po, dito po tayo, print number is an even number. Print, do you want to try again? Different operations, y or n. Pag nag-yes po tayo, babalik lang po ulit tayo dito sa step 4. Ito po yung connector, yung 1A. Tapos pag hindi naman po, pag nag-no tayo, dito naman po tayo sa print. That ends our midterm practical test. Thank you. Tapos sa 1B po, pag 1B, didiretso na po sa N. Yun lang po. Good morning everyone. My name is Mikael Basto. I'm here to explain the codes in Java. The output number 3, odd or even. I'm already done explaining the pseudocode and the flowchart. We can see here in the code sa number 2, sa number 2 line, package com.mycompany.output 3. Ito yung package ng ating code. At sa dulo may terminator, may terminator. It means that nag-end yung statement next to the sa next line na siya. And in the next line, import java.util.scanner. Ito yung dito. Yung gagamitin natin, yung java.util.scanner. Tapos, public class output 3. Yan yung name ng ating output. Public class output 3. Dito pala sa line number 4, ang gagamitin natin ditong class ay public class. Dito sa tabi ng output 3. And on to the next line sa number 6, public static void main string, and ayun yung string, tapos bracket args. Ayun yung natin dito, void main. And sa next line is scanner equals new scanner system.in. String again equals y para sa looping. Ito yung natin pag sa on page connector. Pag may tanong kasi dyan sa bandang dulo ng code na do you want to try again, na yes or no. Pag in-answer mo yung yes, babalik ka dyan siya babalik. Sa pseudocode yung dyan siya babalik. And natin siya. Yung nakalagay dyan na para sa looping, yung may double slash, ayan yung comment. Tinatawag na comment. Dito sa system.out.print in, tapos bracket, tawag dito, parenthesis, tapos double quotation choices, tapos parenthesis ulit. Yan na yung yung pag natin yan, pag nirun na natin yung code, yan yung lalabas dun sa code natin. Yung ito yung mga choices yung lalabas sa code natin, yung may system.out.print in. Yung unang-una yung calculator, then positive or negative number, odd or even number, and highest or lowest number. Dito yung natin, once na marun na natin yung code, since output number 3 tayo, yung pipiliin natin dito is yung odd or even number. Dito sa system.out.print in choices, parenthesis, double quotation choices, tapos ayun. Ito na yung part na yung system.out.print, kaya natin yan ginawa dyan, nilagay natin yan dyan para pag nirun natin yung code, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis yung choices, siya tag dito, lalabas siya dun sa pag nirun natin yung code. Ito yung tag dito, yung dito tayo pipili kung ano yung gagawin natin. Dito nakalagay yung system.out.print in parenthesis, double quotation 1, calculator, then system.out.print in number 2, positive or negative number, system.out.print in number 3, odd or even number, and lastly system.out.print in number 4, highest or lowest number. Itong ito yung natin, pag nira natin yung code, pipili lang tayo ng choices kung saan yung natin, kung ano yung gagawin natin. Since nasa output number 3 tayo, once na i-run natin yung code, ang pipiliin natin is yung choice number 3, yung odd or even number. Tapos yun, dito natin yung sasagutan sa system that print, enter your choices. Kaya yan nandyan para once na i-run na natin yung code, tawag dito, may dyan natin i-enter yung choice natin kung number 1, number 2, or number 3, number 4. Tapos yun, may pinaka sa baba naman yan is yung int choice equals scanner next int. Next line, system.out.print, enter a number. Itong line na to, dito na tayo, pag once na na-run na natin yung code, dito, ito yung mag-a-allow sa atin na magbigay ng number, ng number na kahit anong number. Tapos, sa next line is int number equals scanner next int. Tapos, if number is %2 equals 0, system.out.print in number plus is an even number. Ito, yung tag dito, yung %2 tapos equals 0, ayan yung method para malaman natin kung yung ginamit ba nating number is, tinype pa natin na number is even number. Kasi yung ayan yung method niya. And if hindi naman siya even number, magpo-proceed dito naman siya sa else system.out.print number plus is an odd number. Yung line naman na yun naman yung magte-tell if ang number natin is an odd number. Next line, ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung system.out.print tapos parenthesis, double quotation, do you want to try different operations, y or n. Ito yung sinasabi kong sa looping, yung may comment kanina sa may taas. Pag nag-yes ka dito, babalik ka dito sa yung string again equals y. Ay yung use nung line na yon. If mag-yes si user sa gusto niyang gumamit ng bagong operation, doon siya babalik kasi nag-yes siya. And if no naman, magpo-proceed na siya dito sa sa system.out.print, that ends our midterm practical test. Thank you. Pag nag-no na siya, doon na siya magpo-proceed. Ibig sabihin nun, pag na-run na yung code, tas na nag-no ka, nag-end ka, tapos na yung midterm practical exam. Yun lang po. Salamat.
Hello everyone. This will be our laboratory output number 4. In this pseudocode, we will start at step 1, start. It will start the program indicating the beginning of the process. In step 2, this step will declare choice and number as an integer. In step 3, we will print the word choices. In step 4, we will print number 1, calculator. In step 5, number 2, positive or negative number. In step 6, it will also print number 3, odd or even number. In step 7, it will also print number 4 to highest or lowest number. In step 8, it asks the user to enter their choice, and the selected option is 4. In step 9, it will print enter first number, which is the user's will be the user's input. In step 10, it will be the same as step 9. And in step 11, it will check if the first number is greater than the second number. If this condition is true, the program will print the first number in the the first number is the highest. In step 12, it runs if the first condition is false and checks whether the second number is greater than the first. If true, it prints the second number. Second number is the second. Is the highest. And step 3 ends. Thank you for listening. Hello everyone, my name is Jyan Marzan, and this will be output number 4 for flowchart. The flowchart begins with a start symbol, which indicates the beginning of the program. After starting, the program declares in number 1, number 2, choice, and character as answer. The next program displays a menu of choices to the user, which is number 1, calculator, number 2, positive or negative, number 3, odd or even number, and number 4, highest or lowest number. After showing the menu, the program asks the user to enter their choice. This allows the user to decide which operation the program will perform. The flowchart then checks the entered choice using a decision symbol. If the selected choice is number 4, which is the highest or lowest option, the program proceeds to the next steps in the flowchart. The program asks the user to enter the first number, which is stored in num1. After that, it asks the user to enter the second number, which is stored in num2. These two numbers will be compared to determine which one is higher. Once both numbers are entered, the program moves to the decision point where it compares the values. If num1 is greater than num2, the flowchart follows the true path and displays the message stating that num1 is the highest number, which is this one right here. If the first condition is false, the program proceeds to the other decision. If num2 is greater than num1, the flowchart again follows the true path, and displays the message stating the num2 is the highest number. If neither conditions is true, this means that both numbers are equal. In this case, the program displays a message saying that both numbers are equal. After displaying the results, the flowchart reaches the end symbol, which marks the termination of the program. Thank you for listening. Good day, everyone. I will explain the Java program for output number 4. Excuse me. Output number 4. This program will allow us to input two numbers and determines which one is the highest or the lowest. Will be our package. This helps organize the program and the group related classes together. This is the import scanner. It will see the users through the keyboard. It will see the user's input from the keyboard. This is the public class. And this is the main method. This is where the starting point of the Java program. We will create the scanner object. This will allow the program to read the input from the user. Hold on, I'm recording. Just checking. We will create the loop control. This variable will be used to control the loop so the program can repeat. While in the loop, we to continuously loop, we'll create this code. While again dot equals ignore case y. Oh wait. Oh wait. I just realized that's the wrong way to do it. Hello. Wait, no. Oh. Why you disappeared? That's weird. Anyway, we will create the display menu. Even though this menu will display, today we'll be creating the display menu options for the user. Out print ln. Oh my. Enter your choices. Oops. You have to really remember how to code if you're not a good code. Or negative number. Right now, these codes I input are our choices. Number one, calculator. Number two, positive or negative numbers. Or number three, odd or even numbers. And number four, our last one, and the main one will be tackling. What? I'm sorry. The first thing we'll be choosing or doing is lowest or highest or lowest number. Dot out. Dot print. Enter your choice. Right now, this code will read the user choice and stores it in the variable. Variable. Sorry. Damn. Vi- Variable. Now, we will make the code for asking the two numbers. Will this code will be inputting will sorry. The program will ask the user to enter the two numbers. These values are stored in the variables number 1 and number 2. Sorry. I get a little bit too nervous sometimes. You really shouldn't. Enter first number. System dot out dot println enter second number. Next one, the lines of code will now compare the numbers. So if num1 is greater than num2, it will show that num1 is the highest number. Let me get to that. Let's make it a little bit more proper. Oh wait. Sorry, what happened? Oh, damn. Where did this come from? Is the highest. Yeah, it will now show if num1 and num2, it will print out num1 is the highest number, while sorry, while num2 it will be the lowest number. Num2 is the lowest number. Now, else if num2 is greater than num1, this will mean that num2 is the highest number while num1 is the lowest number. It will look like a damn mess if I place it there. Okay, fine. I'll place it right there. Wait, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh wait, I forgot to that. I forgot to make integer number one to the scanner. Oops, my bad. I completely forgot. I forgot to make it, make it recognize to the scanner. Do not forget this because it will not work if you do. My apologies. There we go. It's not working now. This will work now. If you if you forgot about it, it will definitely not work. And you have to very work hard. Is the lowest number. Do not do that too. It will not work too. I think. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it will not work. Namali right now. That should be the highest number. And this will be the lowest number. Num 1 will be the lowest, while num 2 will be the highest. Now we'll make the else. This else will be like for if. Oop, wrong one. There we go. It does not look right. Hold on, let me just fix this. Let me just make it look better. No! I'll fix it later. Now this else if this else is for if both numbers are the same or equal in a sense. Or equal. I forgot to leave a comment. For looping. Purposive. Nah. We'll just remove that. Oh. Yeah, that one. And for now, we will just ask the user to repeat. After displaying the results, the program will ask the user if they want to try again. If the user enters like Y, the program will repeat. If they enter no or N, sorry, not Y, if they enter N, the program will stop. So let's make it dot print say do you oh wait do you want to try different op- operation? y/n. Now again will be a scanner to next system dot out dot print ln. Now this last code will be the end message. You just indicate the end of the program. System dot out dot print ln. That ends our midterm practical test. Thank you. Now, in conclusion, this program demonstrates the use of scanner for input conditional statements for comparison and a while loop for repetition. Now, let's see if it works. Hold on. There we go. Let's go for. Ooh. Wait, hold on. Let's try that again. Should be working. Or I just did it wrong. Oh. That's strange. It should work. Sorry, that's the output too. Oh, there we go. You don't put the period.
So 20, 30. 20, 30 is the highest number, while 20 is the lowest. Let's let's try that again. Enter your choice. Let's try 4. We'll go 12. We're going 11. 12 is the highest number, while 11 is the lowest. Let's try it. Let's try it if it's both. 23, 23. Both numbers are equal. And now let's end it. See? Well, thank you for listening and goodbye.